No. That's Snickers. Now just be extremely, extremely vigilant when you are finished with him, that you don't lay him down. You know how he has that gagging deal.
Yeah.
You don't want him aspirating that into his life.
Right.
Nom, 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 nom. Then I got it on my fingers so I could eat them later? Yeah. Get that corn out of my face.
Conan.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Yeah.